would you like to learn about my project?
Sure.
Okay, so my project, as you can see, it says, which materials will make a boat that will hold the most number of pennies? And you can see that, so my materials that I've chosen in my review of literature, I found out that styrofoam will do well, clay, and then a plastic container, which is over here, and aluminum foil, and I also I had wax paper, except it fell, and then also, what I did is hi, would you like to learn about my project today?
Sure.
Okay, so my project, as you can see right here, it says, which materials will make a boat that will hold the most number of pennies? And what I did is I have 3 materials that I can show you here today. And I have a picture of one. Then I had a wax paper boat that disintegrated. So the first one I'm going to show you is part of the styrofoam boat. It was about this big. It was about that big. And with edges on the side so the pennies wouldn't fall off. I had the clay boat here, plastic container, and then aluminum foil. And so what I did is I dropped the pennies in the boat. Would you like to try?
Yes.
Okay. So I did exactly the same thing you did, and then I had a hypothesis of which one would hold the most number of pennies. Which one do you think? The aluminum foil? Great. So I thought that the styrofoam boat, because it has air in the bubbles, I thought that one would hold the most. And then I also thought that then it would go not the wax paper, sorry. Then it would go the plastic container. Then the aluminum foil would hold more than the clay boat. And then would be the wax paper because it's pretty light. And so when I was done, I can show you my graph. It shows that the material that holds the most number of pennies is the styrofoam boat, because the styrofoam boat held an average of 315 pennies. But the first time I tried my styrofoam boat, it held 400 pennies. Do you have any questions?
What would you do with your future study?
What I would do is, instead of using, I would cross out the wax paper, add another material, and then I would also, maybe add dimes and I would also add dimes and maybe quarters, as you can see.
Thanks. Bye.